Okay, CSS image sprite. So image sprite is a collection of images. Image sprite is a collection of images. Okay, collection of images put into a single image. Put into a single image. Okay, so combine all small images into a single image, one large image. Combine all uh, combine some small images into a one large image that is called image sprite. Okay, to display single image, to display single image from this collection of images, from this collection of images, to display single image from this collection of images, you could use CSS background position property, background position property, and defining position for the image to display single image. Okay, we need to use background position property to define the background position of single image. Okay, so the main uses of this image sprite. Okay, so we can reduce the burden on server. We can use the burden on server to load number of images number of images. Okay, so for example, if you have one website, so to load that image to load that web page with many images can take long time to load, so that it will generate multiple server requests. Okay, to reduce that multiple server request and burden on server, we can use image sprite. So image sprite is a collection of images put into a single image. Okay, all images in one single image, so that um, browser load that only one image. Okay, and increase the bandwidth also. Okay, we can increase the bandwidth. So this is the usage of image sprite. So first of all, so we need to create the image. Okay, on large image with a number of images. So otherwise you can download the image also from Google. Search in Google like sprite image sprite. Again go to images. Okay, for example, social icons. Okay, so social icons. So all these are image sprites. Okay, so if you select this image, so this is one image with a collection of small images. Okay, all small images put into a single image. Okay, Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, YouTube. Okay, so like this number of uh, social icons is there. Okay, so you need to create image like this, or you can download the image from Google. Okay, and after that, so already one image is downloaded in previous classes. So image sprite. Okay, social circle. So this is our image. So copy this image into this our folder. Okay, and refresh this. Okay, this is our image. Okay, so now I want to display Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube and Twitter images, okay, in the web page in separately. So this is one single image, but I want to display these social icons separately. So create one HTML form. Image sprite. UL tag and li. UL tag and li. In li, Facebook. In second li, LinkedIn. And Twitter. Okay, so already in previous class I have created this image sprite. Okay, this is UL another list. Okay, another list and li tag, Facebook and YouTube and LinkedIn. So three icons I want to display. So this is the class name, menu is the class name, and here Facebook class and YouTube class and LinkedIn class. Okay, this is the class names. So we need to write CSS classes to display appropriate icon. Okay, appropriate icon in the uh, another list. So once run this example, image sprite. Okay, so Facebook and YouTube, LinkedIn. Okay, so total this one is single image, but we are displaying this image as separately. So now we need to write CSS properties to display like this. So first of all, menu class. Use style tag. First main class menu list style type none. Okay, another list style type none. So run this example. But there is no list style type. Okay, only list items are displaying. And the next class is so this class is uploaded here, menu class, and the next class dot menu. In menu we have li tag, right? For this li tag, padding 5 pixel. Next to font size 16 pixels. Okay, so that's it. Font family Arial. Okay, so now refresh this example. So some class is applied, and next class is in menu class we have li tag. In li tag we have anchor tag. Okay, for this anchor tag, height 50 pixel height anchor tag, and the line height also 50 pixels. Okay, line height 50 pixel, and display inline block. Next, padding left 60 pixels, and background. So background is URL, our image, social icon image, social circle.png. Okay, so now refresh this example once. Okay, so image is displayed like this, but we want to display, okay, appropriate image, Facebook image, YouTube icon, and LinkedIn icon. Now we need to write classes, Facebook class and YouTube, and separate classes. In menu class, li tag and anchor tag. In anchor tag we have div tag, and div tag with the Facebook class. Okay, so for this background position, this property we need to use here, background position, and 0 0. Okay, so first check this image. Facebook icon is in 0 0 position. Actually this is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we need to check this image as x-axis and y-axis. So now 0 0 position, there is no change here. So go to this background position. Okay, and you can change like this. Background position minus 47 pixel and minus 26 pixel. Height, line height, display, padding, color, and width 3 pixel, and here minus 47 pixel and minus 26 pixels. So now run this example. Menu class, li tag, anchor tag, and div tag. Div tag with the class name Facebook. Background position pixel padding li, and font size 15 pixel font. Okay, so Facebook minus 47 and minus 26 pixel, and for remaining one, YouTube and LinkedIn, menu class li, div tag YouTube and LinkedIn. Just style type none, padding, font family. Okay, here we have to use div tag also. Okay, so like this, it will display the image. The image, Facebook icon, and YouTube and LinkedIn. So if you check this, if you change this position, okay, image is more like this. Okay, so like this you can uh, set the image. If you change this, okay, down and up. Okay, so image is more like this. So here I want to apply some effect for mouse over. Okay, so here we have two types of images. Okay, one color images and the black images. When our mouse hover on that particular image, so we can change that image with black color. Facebook hover class and YouTube hover class and LinkedIn also hover class. Now change this. Go to Facebook and update this. Okay. So this is minus 95 for hover class. Okay. Next, YouTube also same. This one also minus 96. And finally LinkedIn also minus 96. So now check these fonts. Okay, so image is changing. Okay, image position is changing. When our mouse pointer enter into that particular image, the image position is changing. So like this you can implement sprite images. So this is the pseudo classes. Pseudo classes, like if you want to apply, for example, if you have number of lines of paragraph, okay, uh, you want to apply uh, different colors, text color for the first paragraph only. uh, Use these pseudo classes. For example, this is the paragraph, so refresh this ones. So we have two lines of paragraph, but I want to apply color for only first paragraph only. Okay, use pseudo classes paragraph first line. Okay, paragraph first line, text color red color, and font size 16 pixels. Okay, only first line red color and font size 16 pixels. So observe this. So like this you can apply. Only first line, and you can apply first letter also. So these are all pseudo classes. Okay, active and after, before, checked, document. Okay, and first child means uh, so here we have uh, another list. Okay, this is first child, and the second child, and the third child. Okay, list items. So next I want to apply color for first child. Otherwise, if you have uh, span tag, a span tag in paragraph, two span tags. Okay, so span tag 1 and span tag 2. So in paragraph we have two spans, but we want to apply different color for first span only. Okay, this is first child. So now paragraph first child, color red color. So now refresh this. Here we need to define span. In paragraph we have span tag, right? Paragraph span tag, span first child. Okay, so this is the first child of paragraph, and this is second child. Okay, so we can apply last child also, span last child. Now this time color is applied for the last span. Okay, this is last child. Okay, so practice this pseudo classes. Okay, search in Google. So here we have number of pseudo classes is there. Okay, so next one, navigations in CSS. Navigations is nothing but menus Okay, menus. So we have two types of menus. Two types of menus. First one is horizontal menu, horizontal navigations, and second one is vertical navigations. Okay, vertical navigations. So I will show you the real-time example for horizontal and vertical navigations. So go to Cybersys website. So in main page, home, company, solutions, and the services, products. So this is horizontal menu. Okay, so next go to any one page. So here you can find one inner menu. This is vertical menu. Okay, this is vertical menu and this is horizontal menu. So these are the two types of menus is there. Okay, vertical and horizontal menus. To implement menus like this, so the main uses of these two menus, you can redirect from one page to another page within the application, or you can redirect to another application, another website also. Okay, so to implement menus like this, we need to write some CSS properties. So create an HTML form. First one, vertical menu. Okay, vertical menu. Uh, use another list, li tag, home menu, li tag products, and third one services, and li tag contact us. Okay, so we have these four menus. Okay, these are the four menus. So to display vertical menu styles, write some CSS. So use ID, navigation. Okay, navigation. Using ID selector. Using ID selector. Width, first width 12%, and after that in navigation menu, in navigation ID, we have li tags. Okay, for this li tags, list style type none, list style none, and background color background color, so use this background color. Next, text color, otherwise border color. Next, border top, 1 pixel and solid, and the border top color is use this color. Next, text align left, margin 0, and here Use anchor tag to redirect from one page to another page and provide URL. Okay, href equal to empty path. Okay, for example, empty path. Okay, so apply for all menus. Okay, in li tag we have anchor tag to redirect from one page to another page. Okay, anchor tag is used to redirect another pages. So now for anchor tag, navigation ID and li tag and the anchor tag. Display block and text decoration none. Text decoration none and padding 25 pixels. Under border bottom 1 pixel and solid border bottom color is this color. Next border right border right 2 pixel solid and border right color. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, this is uh, vertical menu. Text color is white. The text color is white. Okay, we can decrease the height. The padding is 15 pixels. Okay, 15 pixel padding. Okay, so now you can apply pseudo classes also. Anchor tag for anchor tag over style background color and text color white color. Okay, so see this form of products, services and contact us. Okay, like this we can implement vertical navigation. Okay, like this. So we have border right, border right color is not correct. Border left and the color is Okay, so like this you can apply border right. Okay, so this is vertical styles, and if you want to implement horizontal menu, you need to write like this properties. So I will explain that one also. Horizontal, horizontal menu, horizontal menu also same. EL tag and LI tag. In LI tag use anchor tag, home, and href equal to empty tag. Next LI tag, a products. Next LI tag, courses. Okay, courses one tag, one menu. In courses we can use submenus. Okay, LI tag, don't use anchor tag here. Use anchor tag, and after that so already one implemented this horizontal menu in previous classes. Use this one. Okay, so now home menu, products, and courses menu is there. In courses .NET and Java. Okay, two courses is there, and finally contact us menu. So if you run this example, uh, this example should be like this. Okay, home, products, courses, and a contact us. Okay, this is horizontal menu. To write CSS properties like this, use first EL tag, style tag. In style tag, first EL tag. Okay, for another list, this is style type none, margin 0 and padding 0. Okay, and after that class, LI class. For LI, float, left and background color. So now run this example. Okay, so these menus is displaying like this. Okay, home, products, courses, submenu, .NET and Java, and contact us. Next, in LI tag we have anchor tag and class drop down button. This class is for LI tag and A. This is default is in .NET. It will take by default. No need to use. So li tag and anchor tag, and next drop btn class is there. Drop btn class, this is for drop btn. Okay, this is for submenus. And now run this example. Okay, so this menu is displaying like this, but I want to, okay, submenus no need to display like this, right? Whenever mouse hover enter into courses image, and the submenus will be visible. And the next li drop down and li hover. So li drop down menu, so this is li drop down menu. This class can display inline block and li hover and background color. Okay, drop down hover and the button hover. Okay, there is no change, just color is displaying whenever mouse hover on the particular menu. Next, drop down content. So this class for submenus, drop down content, display none, position absolute, and background color, and minimum width and box shadow. Okay, so we are applying box shadow for the submenus. Okay, submenus are not displaying here. So write submenus, display submenus, drop down content, okay, and we'll drop down hover. So when our mouse pointer hover on that particular menu, the drop down content will be displayed. So that is submenus content, this content. Okay, .NET and Java. So this is the content will display when mouse hover on that particular li tag. Okay, drop down hover. Okay, so this is the CSS properties to display horizontal, to create horizontal menu like this. Okay, so this is the navigation menu. These are the two types of menus, vertical navigation and horizontal navigation. Next one is image gallery. Image gallery using CSS. We can implement image gallery styles like Facebook or Google image gallery. Okay, so we can display number of images like image gallery. So take one image, HTML form, image gallery, div tag, and image and source equal to desert image and alt equal to desert, and image height 100 pixels and width also 100 pixels. Okay, and close this tag. And after that you can display image description also. in the bottom of the image. Okay, image description. So use CSS properties. Dot image class. Dot image class or my div class. Margin 5 pixels and padding 5 pixels. Next to border 2 pixel and solid. Border color is border color. Next to height auto and width also auto, and float left float left. Next text and center, text and center, and width 30 percentage. So now run this example. Okay, image is displaying like this. So copy number of image number of div text like this. Okay, that is image gallery. Okay, all images are displayed like this, but float left when already we used float left. Okay, class name is my div. Okay, so image gallery display like this. So image border and image description. Dot my div tag and image tag is there. For this image, our class border 2 pixel border and solid, and border is refresh this example. For this image tag, my div image for these two are okay. What happened to this two? No need uh, for last div. Okay, is okay, fine. For first one and second one only. Last two divs okay. So we can remove this width 30 pixel. No need this. Okay, so like this, it will display the gallery, image gallery.